আসসালামু আলাইকুম আমার প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী ছাত্রছাত্রীবৃন্দ। আমি মূলত কাজ করি এডেক্সেল, কেমব্রিজ, IGCSE O level physics, chemistry and AS and A2 physics and chemistry। কিন্তু আমার অনেক ছাত্রছাত্রীবৃন্দ আমাকে ইনবক্সে নক করে তারা SSC 2021 এর ফিজিক্স অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের হেল্প চেয়েছে। তাই বিশেষ করে ইংলিশ ভার্সন স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য আমি এই ভিডিওটা করতেছি। কিন্তু তোমরা সবাই মনে রাখবে যে যে আমি যে সলিউশনটা দিচ্ছি এটা আমি অনেক অ্যানালাইসিস করে 100% পিওর সলিউশন দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করতেছি। কিন্তু তারপরেও তোমরা যখন সলিউশনটা বা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা লিখবে তখন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজগত দিক থেকে তোমরা নিজেদের একটা আলাদা ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালিটি মেনটেন করবে। যখন তোমরা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা সাবমিট করবে তোমরা কখনো সেই রিটেন অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা, ফাইনাল অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা তোমার বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করবে। যত ফাইনাল লিখার আগে যত পারো ফ্রেন্ড, টিচার্স সবার কাছে ডিসকাস করে কনফার্ম হবে যে কোনটা কারেক্ট আনসার। দেন যখন ফাইনাল লিখার পরে বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করবে না। যদি তোমাদের আনসার একজনের সাথে আরেকজন মিলে যায় তাহলে কিন্তু অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের পূর্ণাঙ্গ নাম্বার তোমরা পাবে না। তোমাদের জন্য আজকে আমি নিয়ে আসলাম গভর্নমেন্ট অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ক্যান্ডিডেট SSC candidate 2021 physics assignment number 2। Hello my dear student, today I am going to discuss about government assignment for candidates of SSC 2021, subject physics, subject code 136, level SSC, assignment number, chapter and headline of the chapter. Assignment 2, chapter 2, motion. Assignments: Rabbi and Shajal, who are the two candidates of admission test in engineering university, dwell in two separate houses placed in a straight road directed towards exam hall. They are told that they have to be present in examination hall within 9 AM and after that the gate will be closed. The distance from the exam hall to the Rabbi's house is 200 meters, greater than the distance from the exam hall to the Shajal's house. But the Shajal did not get up early due to whole night Facebooking. By anyway, Shajal hurriedly having breakfast and hearing side from his parents, reaches his gate of house and saw that Rabbi walks with uniform velocity, and if the walks in this way he can reach the gate of examination hall in right time. But the Shajal with his stomach full of food cannot able to move with maximum 1 meter per second square acceleration more than 10 seconds, and the remaining time he will run with velocity which is half of its maximum velocity. Now it is 8:58 AM If Sajal moves with this way, he can entering the examination hall at the last moment. Question A. What is the distance between the Sajal's house and examination hall? We have to find out the distance between Sajal's house and examination hall. Answer or solution of the assignment 2. Sajal's start at 8:58 am and reaches at 9 o'clock. The time taken t equal to 2 minutes. We have to convert this minute into second. 2 into 60, so 120 seconds. For first 10 seconds, Sajal moves with constant acceleration. So distance traveled during acceleration S1 equal to ut1 plus half at1 square. At1 square. Here initial velocity u equal to 0 meter per second, acceleration a equal to 1 meter per second square. T1 10 second. So S1 we have to find out this value u t1 plus half a t1 square. U0 0 into 10 plus half acceleration 1 and 10 square. So S1 equal to 50 meter. Rest of the time 120 minus 10, so 110 second. He moves with constant velocity. So maximum velocity after 10 second v equal to u initial velocity u plus a t1. So 10 meter per second. As the Sajal moves with half speed of the maximum speed, v prime equal to v maximum divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, 5 meter per second. Now the Sajal moves with this constant velocity. So distance travel during the constant velocity s2 equal to v prime into t2. Here t2 equals to 110 second. So 5 here 5 v prime equals to 5 meter per second. So 5 into 110, so 550 meter. So the distance between Sajal's home to examination hall is equal to S1 plus S2. So 50 plus 550, so total 600 meter. This is the answer of this portion A. So A, what is the distance between the Sajal's house and examination hall? The distance between Sajal's house and examination hall is 600 meter. This is the answer of A. Now question B. Rabbi decided the night before exam that he will start to move from his home at 8:44 am. He will move with uniform velocity to reach to the hall within 8:55 am. Then at which velocity he should move? Rabbi started at 8:44 am from his house and want to reach at 8:55 am to the examination hall moving with constant velocity. The required time 11 minutes. So 11 minutes, we have to convert this minute into second. So 11 into 60, so 660 seconds. From A, we get the distance between Sajal's house to examination hall is equal to 600 meter, but the distance between Sajal's house to Rabbi's home 200 meters. So total distance traveled by the Rabbi 600 plus 200, so 800 meter. So now Rabbi moves with constant velocity. So S prime equal to Vt, V equal to S divided by T. Here 800 meter is the distance and T is 660 seconds. So velocity will be 1.212 meter per second. So the speed of the Rabbi is 1.212 meter per second. So the velocity should 1.212 meter per second. This is the answer of B. This is the answer of B question. Now question number C. Suddenly the Rabbi's ankle twisted after moving 50 meters away from the gate of Shajal's house due to moving with this velocity. After that, the moves with velocity which is 1/4 of its former velocity. Then before entering the examination hall, can Shajal able to cross him? Look at the diagram first. This is the answer of C. It is Rabbi's house R and it is Shajal's house S. 200-meter distance between Rabbi's house to Shajal's house. There is a P point where Rabbi's ankle twisted at P point, which is 50-meter distance away from Shajal's house. Rabbi's leg sprint at a distance 50 meters away after crossing the gate of Shajal's. The time the Rabbi needed to reach the point P, TP equal to what? V here, Rabbi's velocity 1.212 meter per second and distance 200 plus 50, so 250 meter. So SP equals to V into TP, so TP equal to SP divided by V, 250 divided by 1.212, so answer 206.25 second. So TP equal to 206.25 divided by 60, 3.437 minutes. The clock strikes after coming to the P point. 8:44 am is the starting time plus 3.437, so 8:47.44 am. When Shadul leaves the house at 8:58 am, by then Rabbi reached point Q with V by 4 speed from the point P. So time 8:58 am minus 8:47.44, so 10.56 minutes. So distance here, distance of PQ, look at the diagram, PQ. So we have to find out the distance between PQ is equal to V prime into T. So V prime here, V divided former velocity 1.212 divided by 4, so 0.303 meter per second is the Rabbi's present velocity, and T is 10.56 minutes, so we have to convert it into second. So after multiplication we get 191.98 meter. So the distance of Rabbi SQ equal to 50 plus 191.98 meter, so 241.98 meter. Now let after t second they meet at a point O. According to the question, look at the diagram. Look at the diagram here. S O equal to SQ plus QO. SO equal to SQ plus QO. So VT plus VT, this is VT, and here U plus half a T square. So 5T plus half 110 square. This is not same T, it is T1. That's why 10 square. So 5T minus 0.303 T equal to 241.98 minus 50. So t equal to 40.87 seconds. Since the time to go the examination hall was 2 minutes, but after 40.87 seconds, Shajal will pass the Rabbi. Shajal passed Rabbi before entering the hall. This is the answer of C. Answer of C. Now, question D. Draw a graph which shows the position of Rabbi and Shajal on the road from the morning 8:58 am to 9 am. We have to show the least position of 4 points for each person. Total 8 points. 8:58 to 9 o'clock. The position time graph of the Shajal and Rabbi. We have to show least the position of 4 points for each person, total 8 points. So we need a table with time in clock and position from the examination hall to Shajal, position of Shajal from the examination hall, position of the Rabbi from the examination hall. This is the chart. At this point, at this time, Rabbi ankle twisted. At this time, Shajal moves with constant velocity. So position position of the Shajal and Rabbis from examination hall and time in clock. So in horizontal axis, time in clock 8:44 to 9 am. At the initial, Shajal was 600 meter away from the examination hall. He starts his journey 8:58. So up to 8:58, the position is 600. Then he starts his journey to the examination hall. On the other hand, Rabbi, position of the examination hall from 800 meter. So this is the position time graph